The My Tools tab is essentially the command center of PowerToolSafe. This is a comprehensive table of all your tools. You can sort by brand, model, price, or any other field. You can also customize the fields you see and set custom filters. Once your tools are entered, searching, sorting, and tracking is simple. If you upgrade to the Pro version, you gain the added ability to create and assign tools to storage points. If you want to see a list of all the saws you own, type in saws in the search field. If you are looking for a specific Milwaukee saw in a work truck, double-click on Milwaukee, then double-click on the storage point. If you want to move the tool to the shop, select the tool, then select the appropriate storage point, then click Assign Tool. You can double-click your way back out of a search, or you can simply clear the search by clicking the X next to the search box. Or print off a list of tools assigned to a work truck. Click that storage point and select the report that works best for you. Now you have a complete list for the employee who is responsible for that truck and all the equipment assigned to it. How well they take care of your tools and keep them in their possession becomes part of their annual review. Having a good list or schedule of all your equipment can oftentimes help you save more on insurance than what an annual subscription to PowerToolSafe costs. Click on the Excel icon and you have an instant list that can save you money. This list or schedule tells your insurance agent exactly what they are insuring for you. And because you are providing make, model, serial number, purchase date, and cost, insurance rates for scheduled inland marine policies are significantly less than policies based solely on the stated value of your equipment. You can also send this list automatically to your insurance agent directly from the Request a Quote tab. If you do experience theft, the tool status is used to mark tools stolen and add them to a theft incident report. Check out the video under Theft Incidents to see how you can create theft incident reports, attach tools to it, and instantly search Craigslist and eBay for your stolen goods. Thanks for watching.